Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another face pack review. I am doing these because I am actually going through a lot of breakouts. Like, you cannot see it on my face, but they're really skin problems, as you can say. I get small little zits all over my face when the weather is changing and it's neither hot nor cold, so my skin behaves weirdly. Look at that. That's how my skin is. It looks good on camera, but actually it isn't. Breaking out and giving me troubles a lot. So I thought that let's just try out face packs. And I've been doing DIYs as well, and I've been trying out face pack from market. Few things are working, few things are not working. I'll be sharing my DIY face mask as well with you guys, but for now I'm going to try out the Himalaya Purifying Neem face pack, which is for normal to oily skin. And since I'm not sure how my skin is now, because that one, the Patanjali one, was for all skin types, this one is for normal to oily skin. So since I'm not sure whether my skin is dried or oily, I will still use this. And I think neem is a really nice product to apply on your face. It just kills all the bacteria, all the fungus that might be developing on your face. So neem is a really good product to work on if you have skin problems. This one has neem and turmeric, which two products are really good. Turmeric is an antiseptic and neem also helps in fighting all the bad things on your skin, all the bacteria and the fungus. This bottle is of 50 grams and this retails for 70 rupees, which is obviously a bit expensive when you compare it to the Patanjali one, which was 60 ml for 60 rupees. This is 50 grams for 70 rupees. But the packaging is better than that one. The plastic is better. This is how it looks like. It says all the things on the front, and then all the ingredients and everything is mentioned right at the back. And it also comes in this squeezy bottle, which is like this. So it comes in this kind of a squeezy bottle, and it is a very dark colored thing. The product actually is a really dark colored material, not as compared to the, like, look at that. And it has a bit of granules as well in it, if I can feel it. Like, it has a bit of granules. So this actually looks exactly like as if it has neem in it. And when you compare it to the Patanjali one, I would say this has more neem content than that one. But yeah, and it has turmeric, so both of them would lead to in a darker color like this. Let's read the content of it. Key ingredients are fuller earth, neem and turmeric that I've already told you, but the other things that it include are, which are inactive as it says, are sodium methyl paraben, sodium propyl paraben, imidazoline urea, DMDM hydination, hydantoin, I know what's that. So this one as well has parabens in it, so we cannot blame Patanjali completely for having parabens. So yeah, Himalaya also has parabens in it. It says that it's a purifying pack that helps to regulate excess of oil secretion, cleans clogged pores and prevents the recurrence of pimples. Neem, well known for its purifying and antibacterial properties, helps in controlling acne and pimple and their recurrence, combined with turmeric, which help in controlling acne causing bacteria. So I told you already that both of these ingredients are really good. Fuller's earth cools and soothes the skin. It helps in toning down your skin and improves the skin texture, leaving you with clear, problem-free skin. So yeah, all that I've already told you. I will be going to use it for the first time on myself. And it says apply evenly over cleaned and dry cleansed face and neck, avoiding the area around the eyes. Keep it for 10-15 minutes and remove with a wet sponge or wash it with cool water and use it twice a week, it says. It also says you should not apply this if your skin is breaking out or if you have skin issues, inflamed skin. It also says that it may cause a tingling sensation due to herbs active ingredients, which is normal, which I usually get. So I'll just wash off my face and then we'll apply this. Just clean my face and we are ready to go on with this thing on our face. With Patanjali, I was looking like a white ghost. I'm not sure how I will look with this because it's like green. It has really huge particles in it. That's probably turmeric or something. Or maybe neem. I like to apply my pack in circular motions, that way it spreads out evenly, and also some on the neck area. Okay, so we'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes or until it dries out, and then we'll see after washing how it turns out, because I might not be able to speak after this. The skin usually becomes tight. So let's wait and watch. Final word on Himalaya Purifying Neem face pack are I do have a burning sensation right around here, the same way that I had with the Patanjali one, because it has fuller earth and it reacts crazily with my skin. I feel my skin so bright right now. It's because it has turmeric in it, so it has certainly brightened up my face a lot, though I still feel a bit of burning all over my face. I don't know why, probably it's just it will subside. It did dry out completely, as did Patanjali one, but it was not glued onto my skin as the Patanjali was. It was easier to take off. It has those small granules which I talked about earlier. They were still there, so I usually take out my mask by massaging it with water in circular motions, but you should not do that with this one, because the the granules are really big, and it will scrub off. But if you do it excessively, it might just hurt you, like it is hurting me right now. I over massaged on these area and here, so it's hurting me a bit. But overall, I think it did a pretty good job. I do feel my face brightened up, and it did not dry out my skin, though it was for normal to oily skin, so it did not dry out my skin for sure. I'll just show you up close how my skin is now. So I hope you guys can see it is quite clear from these areas now. Ignore my dark circles. So it is better as it was before. So yeah. Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash was in between. Like, I was not blown away, neither I am quite impressed. It was like okay job. It did what it claims right at the back, but the burning sensation, though it mentioned it that you might have burning sensation, but the burning sensation is actually quite prolonged. I am still having a burning sensation right around here. I think it's an okay thing. Like, I would keep it equal to Patanjali one, in fact a bit low to that because of the burning sensation that I am having. I did not had it that much with Patanjali one, but I'm still having it with this one. So yeah, that was all about this. I think you can instead go with a homemade neem and turmeric face pack. I did that already. I'll link it in the description box down below, and you can also see it on the screen scrolling right up here. Rather than buying something like this, like, it would be cheaper and it would be 100% natural. There will be no parabens. Like, that's a better alternative rather than buying something which is, you don't know how it will work. You can obviously customize your neem pack according to your skin as well. So yeah, this one is like in between, and it's okay. So yeah, that was all about the Himalaya Purifying Neem face pack. I hope that you found this video really helpful, and if you do, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.